Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 12 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with opening your contact list. I'll show you how to block the number you've got saved, and then how to do it more manually. So let's find the photo, the contact you'd like to block, and tap on it, and then scroll down a little bit to find this option, block numbers. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. So let's simply tap on block. For some reason I cannot do it, but I'm pretty sure that you will be able to block a number in your device. Your device will of course show you the information that it is blocked. You will be also able to unblock it. Right here you'll see a proper option. So this is the first way, and now let me show you the second way through kind of the settings. So it does not really matter whether you will be on the contacts, recents or the favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Here let's tap on blocked numbers. And this is basically our blacklist. We can add a number just by tapping on this option, and as you can see we can enter it manually, tap on block, and it will immediately appear right here. So again, you will not receive calls or text messages. Here you've got also the option unknown. You can turn it on and off just by using the switcher, and basically your device will block the calls from all unidentified callers. You can also unblock the number just by tapping on this X button and tapping on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.